Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Hi, ako po si Ursa at welcome back po ulit sa The Ursa Diaries. Last 3 episode po natin, pinag-usapan natin kung kailan ako ulit kikiligin. Tapos sinabi ko I won't settle for less. Pero ngayon, may isa akong gustong sabihin. Kung may darating man, sana tama siya. Hindi ko na hinahabol ang love. Hindi na ako nasa point ng buhay ko na kailangan kong magkaroon ng relationship para maging complete. I've already learned how to live on my own. I've learned how to make uh, my own decisions. I've learned how to take care of the people I love. I've learned how to wake up and continue even life doesn't go according to plans. So kung may darating man, I don't need someone to save me. I want someone who will walk beside me. Ano ang tama para sa akin? Hindi ibig sabihin perfect siya. Ang tama ay para sa akin yung taong marunong rumespeto, consistent, marunong makinig, may paninindigan, kaya niyang maging padre di pamilya sa binuo kong pamilya. Hindi kailangan ako kontrolin, yung hindi siya matithreaten sa bilang ako. At higit sa lahat, yung hindi pipilitin na maging ibang tao ako para mahalin niya. Love should feel different now. Maybe love at this stage of my life won't look like it did when I was younger. Maybe hindi na grand gesture ang pinaka-importante. Maybe it's okay ka lang, pagod ka na, ako na, nakarating ka na, kumain ka na, pahinga ka muna. Simple things, pero consistent. And sometimes consistency is more romantic than promises. For the person who may come someday, kung may taong darating sa buhay ko, you're entering a life that I work hard to rebuild. A life with responsibilities. A life with children. A life with Team Lusog. A life that has already survived heartbreak. So don't come into my life just to give me another lesson. If you come with intention. Come with honesty. Come with respect. Come with peace and consistency. And if that person never comes, okay lang. Hindi ibig sabihin kulang ako. Hindi ibig sabihin na hindi ako kamahal-mahal. Hindi ibig sabihin na tapos na ang chance kong sumaya. Because I've learned something very important. I can have a beautiful life even without a romantic partner. And if someday love finds me, I hope it's the kind of love that will make me say, kaya pala hindi ako dapat mag-settle noon. So kung may darating man, sana tama ka. Pero habang hinihintay kita, I'm not waiting for my life to begin. I'm already living it. Ako si Ursa, and this is another chapter of the Ursa Diaries. Every ending is the beginning of a new chapter. Magkita-kita po tayo ulit sa mga susunod nating diary entry. Ingat po. God bless po.